There are many exams where we are not allowed to use a calculator, but there are some sections that where we need to do the math. So you don't have the access of your calculator, but a number with 6 or 7 digits come and you need to solve it. How are you going to do it? You are going to, if you are going to follow the same old traditional way, you are just killing your time, trust me. So in this video, we're going to learn some tricks and some terms that you will help you to be faster than your mates in the exam hall. So let's move on. A question like this may come that a number is as much greater than 36 as the less than 86, so find the number. So the solution of such questions is very simple. You need to sum up those two numbers, the greater number and the lesser number, then divide it by 2. The average number you get is the answer of that question. Okay, so let's move on to exactly divisible tricks. Which of the following numbers can exactly be divisible by 3? So you can see 4 options given in your display, right? A, B, C and D. We do need to know the rules. If you're going to do this math with the same traditional way, if we're going to divide option A by 3 and B by 3 every time, you can see that a lot of digits in a number, right? So you're going to kill your time for just one more question. So what you're gonna do, like, if summation of all the digits of any number is exactly divisible by 3, the number is exactly divisible by 3. Let's see this, then it will be clear for you. Let's pick option A first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, so if we sum up these digits, if we separate this number and each digit, if we sum up this, we get 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 21. If 21 is exactly divisible by 3, then the number must be exactly divisible by 3. Let's do number B. 2, 2, 3, 7, 8. If we sum up this, 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8, we get 22, and 22 divided by 3 is equal to 7.33. so 22 divided by 3 is not exactly divisible, right? Let's see if you do this with number option C and D. We can see that is 4.33 and 5.33, which is not exactly divisible, right? So the answer is A. The number exactly divisible by 4 is the two options A and B. So let's know the rules of 4. If the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, the number is exactly divisible by 4. So in the previous math, we had to sum up all those digits and then divide it by 3. But in the case of 4, we need to look at the last two digits of the number. If it's divisible by 4, then the whole number must be divisible by 4. In the option A, the last two digits is 5, 8. If we divide 5/8 by 4, we get 14.5. In option B, if we divide the last two digits, which is 5, 6, if we divide it by 4, we get 14, which is exactly divisible, right? So option B is exactly divisible by 4. You can use your calculator and see the proof. If you can divide option A and B by 4, you will get that option B is exactly divisible by 4. Which of the numbers can be exactly divisible by 6? Two options are given. Now the rule of 6 is if a number is divisible by 3 and 2 both, the number is exactly divisible by 6. So here two conditions are given. The number should be divisible by 3 and 2 both. If the number is only divisible by 3 but not by both, not by 2, or the number is divisible by 2 but not by 3, then this is not going to be the answer, right? So if a number is divisible by 6, that means that the number should be divisible by 3 and 2 both. Let's see option A. We know that how a number is divisible by 3. In a previous math we learned this, right? So 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 27, and 27 is divisible by 3, exactly divisible by 3, and we get the answer 9. And we know that 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 6 is divisible by 2, because we all know that if the last digit of a number is even or 0, then the number should be divisible by 2, right? Let's see option B, 90909. If we add 909 plus 0 plus 9 plus 0 plus 9, we get 27, which is divisible by 9. But 90909 is not divisible by 2. If you look at the last digit of this number, this is odd number, right? And an odd number cannot be divisible by 2, right? So you get the answer. The number exactly divisible by 8 is, the rule of 8 is the last digit should be divisible by 8. So look at the last 3 digit of option A, which is 592, and 592 is divisible by 8. We get the answer 74. And in option B, 175 is the last 3 digit, and 175 is not divisible, exactly divisible by 8. We get 21 decimal 875, right? So this is not exactly divisible, so the answer should be A. What's the rule of 9? The rule of 9 is similar to the rule of 3. Remember what is the rule of 3? So here's a question like, is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 exactly divisible by 9? Now we have to sum up these digits all together. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 18, and 18 is divisible by 9, right? So the answer of this question is yes, this number is exactly divisible by 9. Remember one thing, that you can do this like this 18 is divisible by 3 also, right? So you have to remember that any number which is divisible by 9 is also divisible by 3. But the important thing is that the number which is exactly divisible by 3 doesn't necessarily mean that that exact number is divisible by 9 also. But the number which is divisible by 9 is always divisible by 3. Okay.